Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google AdMob is still a reliable way to make real money for your mobile app in 2025, or if the payout is not worth it anymore. Google AdMob still leads in mobile app monetization with high fill rates, global advertiser demand, smart mediation, and seamless integration with Android and iOS, allowing you to earn from banner ads, interstitials, provided video, and native formats. And while CPMs can vary depending on traffic and user location, most devs in 2025 still prefer AdMob for its stability, fraud protection, and built-in analytics. So, if your app has steady traffic and good engagement, you can absolutely earn real revenue, but you'll need smart ad placement and volume to hit solid numbers. That's the full review. Monetize smarter and build better. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS dev tips.